Never underestimate the power of the punches in your studio. Come on in and let me show you what I'm talking about.
Hello everybody, it's Julia Laird with Senior Susie Stamps, and today is Thursday. It's a studio tip day today. My computer has been in the shop. I had to replace the hard drive, so I missed one video for you all, but today is a short one so that I can get it finished tonight because it's already almost 5 o'clock in the afternoon. I wanted to show you some punches because I think sometimes we underestimate the power of the punch. And these are the punches that I've been using for the last 2 or 3 days. And if you'll look at this piece of paper that looks a little like Swiss cheese, you can see that I have gotten as much flower material out of this piece of paper as I possibly could. And it's going in the trash. But now I wanted to show you some punches that I've been using. I love punches. Let me just tell you that right now. Die cutting is okay, but I really love punches. And when you get one like this that has a stamp that goes with it, it's really a wonderful tool to have. These, I've gotten some of them used, I've gotten some of them new. And let me show you some cards that I've been making the last couple of days while my computer's been down. This one is made entirely out of punches. And you can see I rounded the corner with my corner rounding punch. I used a daisy punch to make some daisies. Those are double layered. I used this little tiny punch here for the centers of those. This one that's been around forever and ever. That's what made these, and it made the center here. Now on these little berries, I used just my little circle punch, little handheld punch that's been around forever, hasn't it? And this is a larger punch. I don't remember. I believe it might be 2 1/4 inches. This is one that I just put a little cut on. There's a little tiny twine bow on this one, and the inside is just corner rounded. Let's see. Here's another one, and it uses the stamp and punch that goes with it. There's some more of these little tiny flowers like these that are made out of this little punch right here. Just a little 4-petal flower punch, double layered up. There's some more of those little circle punches. Now these are double layered to give them just a little bit more substance on the page. The leaves, I used the stamp and the punch that goes with it. This is punched, that's punched, this is punched, and then a little simple bow. You just can't beat a little sweet card like this to go in the mail. Here's another one. Now the paper on this is powerful, but the punches really kick it up a notch. Here again, I've used just a little circle punch. I cut the stem on the guillotine cutter, but this flower is made with this punch, this punch, which is that one right there, and of course my circle punch, and then I used this petal portion here, which it may be a leaf, I don't know. I've used that for leaves. But I backed it with the petals, and then I did just a little bit of doodling because you can see the doodling in the original paperwork here in the paper. And then on the inside, I just followed on through with it. Let's look at another one. Again, I used this punch and stamp. I made the centers out of, where'd it go? Out of this one and this little circle punch. I put some berries on it. Now these are die cut here, but this is a corner rounder punch. These leaves are this punch right here. And then on these, on the little flowers, I did, the back part of it was green and the front part of it was yellow on these, which kind of tied it all together. Let's look at another one. I've got another whimsy card here. And on this flower, I used this 7/8 inch and a little 1/2 inch circle to go in it. And I made the petals for the flower out of this heart. You'll see them on there. And then I just drew in my white pen some of these little whimsical lines that go with the rest of the paper here. This is a little small punch. This one right here. Hope you can see that one right there. And again, I used my circle punch for here, here, and here. And on the inside, here's another smaller version. And again, I used my 1/2 inch, my handheld punch, and the smaller one of these little whimsy hearts to do this flower on the inside. Let's look at another one. Now on this one, these are punch flowers that are fussy cut, but I've layered them up so they're kind of decoupaged. And then these are punched, these are punched. The leaves are that little leaf right there. This of course is a die cut. These are corner round punches, and card's good to go. Now this one is a folded, hang on, it's a fabulous folded die, cutting die, and this is what it looks like. It comes from hot off the press, paperwishes.com. They are still available. But these are all punched flowers and leaves, every bit of it. So, isn't that a cute little card? And it stands up, and I put a little square on the back with corner rounded punches. So don't ever underestimate the power of the punches in your studio. Get them out, use them, and make things that are a little interesting and unique, like that are just kind of different. And I think you'll find that you'll reach for them more and more often. So this is Julia, and I hope you have a great week, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.